Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to top up and check your windshield fluid or in your Audi A3 or S3 Sportsback. First step is open the carport, and if you're standing in front of the car, you can see on the right side there with the blue cap. This is the entrance to the windshield wiper fluid tank. There we are going to top up the liquid. So let's open this cap by pulling it up. Job's done. Then we are ready to get a little bit liquid inside. Inside you can see a filter. This filter you can remove or you leave them there because the filter will filter a little bit out of it if there is some dirt inside. Now you have to check what is the season. If you have summertime, use the summertime windshield wiper fluid on the bottom side. If it is wintertime, we are going to use coolant or antifreeze top up liquid for it. This is with the red cap on the upper side, and there we can choose a little bit of distilled water to get the right antifreeze level for the liquid. For this we are using only water which is distilled, because this will not have problems with your hoses inside. So let's start to top up a little bit. It's now winter time. It is important to choose the right liquid, because do not top up with only water. This will give you no lubrication. If we are going to use this top up liquids, this will lubricate your system of the windshield wiper system, and it will give you in the winter time antifreeze status. In the summertime, this will help you to remove corpses of the insect on your front windshield. Okay, so choose wisely. Then use a pipette to check at the winter fluid the antifreeze level. Okay, let's perform this now with the winter version. We are now removing the filter. Then there it is. You can leave the filter there, no problem. But I like it more though, because there's no dirt in the cap there. Let's go. Now we dip a little bit of the antifreeze liquid in it. We are mixing now antifreeze, then a little bit of distilled water, then antifreeze, etc. So you can mix it easily. If you only put in the antifreeze liquid, this will give you the highest reachable level of this antifreeze status. I think it was 30 degrees Celsius or so on. So that it is. I think it's enough, but we will check this with a pipette later. So now we're going to use a little bit of the water. Let's dip the water inside too, like before with the antifreeze liquid. No problem if you are leaking a little bit over the cover. It's not toxic. No problem with it. But don't drink it. So you can top up until you see bubbles are coming out of your cover there. There's no level which you have a maximum or a minimum. It's no problem. But the minimum is if it's empty. Then you have to refill, of course. But a maximum is if there are bubbles coming out, job's done. That it is. Yeah, we are going to make another round because this tank is really empty, as you can see. So now change the liquid again and top it up. You can see I mix them step by step. And if you do that, it is faster mixed in the tank itself, and you can choose by your own how deep your antifreeze level will be later. So mix one by one. This will get in half of the antifreeze level, if 1 to 2, etc. Okay? And if you see bubbles, and in this case on the A3 you can see the blue liquid good on the cover area, then it's enough. You can top up until you see bubbles and then stop immediately. So here we are. Now we will check the antifreeze level with the pipette. Now we are going to use the pipette, enter the pipette into the tank and suck a little bit of liquid into the pipette. And then we can read here, it is minus 20 degrees Celsius. This is okay. Oh yeah. Now enter the liquid back into the cover, job's done. Then we can close our cover, and that it is. So easy. You can maintain your antifreeze level for your windshield wiper system, summer and winter time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.